Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. In this today's class, I'm going to be telling you guys the basic tools that are needed to start your web design and web development class. One, you need a computer system. It could be a laptop, it could be a desktop, but you need a computer system. Then on your computer system, you need the following softwares. One of the software you need on your computer system is a web browser. You need a web browser to start this online course. Example of a web browser is Chrome, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, UC browser, Microsoft Edge, and so on. The essence of the web browser is where the result is being displayed. Any code you write, anything you code, the result is being displayed on the web browser. So another important thing you'll be needing in this course is code editor. Code editor allows you to write your code on it. It's a software that is a software you use to write your code, your programming code. Example of a code editor is Visual Studio Code, VS Code in short, Sublime, Atom, etc. And another thing you'll be needing is the basic languages. You must learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Then as time goes on, you also will be needing a domain name and a web hosting. That is, after when you have successfully finished a particular project, you need to host it online for people to see it. So you need a web hosting and a domain name. Then you also need a version control. Version control helps you to manage and track code changes online. It helps you to it helps you to collaborate with developers, multiple developers online. So an example of a version control is Git, and from Git we have GitOps. I told you that it allows you to collaborate with programmers. On this tutorial, I'm going to be guiding you guys how to get all the things I've mentioned. So, but we're going to first of all start from code editor. I'm going to guide you guys how to get a code editor. Now, go to your computer system. Then open a browser. It could be Chrome, could be Microsoft Edge or Mozilla. Then go to search. On your search, type download Visual Studio Code for Windows if you're using a Windows system. But if you're using a MacBook, just say download the Visual Studio Code for Mac OS. Then the window environment will open. It will open. Then you click on download Visual Studio Code. So when you download it, it will still take you to another page where it will show you three options, whether you are downloading for Windows, for Mac, or for Dips. Then you can now click on Windows if you are using Windows system. Let me click on Windows. The moment you click on the Windows, it will automatically download. Then you will see the progression on your download icon. You have to wait for it to finish downloading. The moment you finish downloading, you can now click on the software. Then it will open another Windows environment where you will read the agreement license and accept the agreement. Click on it, accept. When you click on it, then you still click on next. Then create a desktop icon so that it will be on your desktop. Click on next again. Then preparing to install. Then installation. You say installing. You have to wait for the installation to complete. After when the installation has completed, you write completing the Visual Studio Code setup wizard. Then just click on finish. So the moment you click on finish, it will pop up it will open the Visual Studio Code automatically. Then you can now have your environment where you can write your code. So in our next class, we are going to start our first code using HTML. So just stay tuned.